Methyldopa Complete Drug Monograph. Number 1. Basic drug information, parameter, details, generic name, methyldopa. Drug class, centrally acting alpha-2 adrenergic agonist, antihypertensive. Subclass, sympatholytic agent. Brand names, Aldomet, Dopamet, Hydopa, Methyldopa tablets, Methyldopa injection. Dosage forms, oral tablets, 125 milligrams, 250 milligrams, 500 milligrams. Intravenous IV injection, 250 milligrams per 5 milliliter vial. Availability, prescription-only medication definition. Methyldopa is a centrally acting antihypertensive drug used primarily to manage high blood pressure, hypertension. It functions by stimulating alpha-2 adrenergic receptors in the brain, which decreases sympathetic, adrenergic nerve activity, resulting in reduced vascular resistance and blood pressure. Methyldopa has been used for decades and remains a first-line drug for treating hypertension during pregnancy due to its safety and effectiveness in that population. 3. Mechanism of action, pharmacodynamics. 1. CNS penetration and conversion. Methyldopa is transported into the central nervous system, CNS, and decarboxylated and hydroxylated to form methylnorepinephrine, a false neurotransmitter. 2. Receptor activation. Methylnorepinephrine stimulates central alpha-2 adrenergic receptors in the vasomotor center of the medulla oblongata. 3. Sympathetic inhibition. This stimulation inhibits sympathetic outflow, reduces norepinephrine release from the CNS to the heart, kidneys, and peripheral blood vessels. 4. Physiological results. Peripheral vascular resistance, blood pressure, systolic and diastolic, heart rate, slight, minimal effect on cardiac output and renal blood flow. Summary: Methyldopa lowers blood pressure by acting on the central nervous system rather than directly relaxing blood vessels or affecting the heart. 4. Pharmacokinetics, parameter, details. Absorption, about 50% absorbed orally. Onset of action, 4 to 6 hours oral, 1 to 2 hours IV. Peak effect, 6 to 8 hours. Duration of action, 12 to 24 hours. Distribution, crosses blood-brain barrier and placenta. Metabolism, hepatic, converted to off-methylnorepinephrine. Elimination, urine, via kidneys, both unchanged in metabolites. Half-life, 1.8 to 3 hours, parent drug, but longer pharmacologic effect due to CNS action. 5 uses. Primary use, management of hypertension, high blood pressure. Special use, hypertension in pregnancy. Preeclampsia, gestational hypertension. May be used in chronic hypertension where first-line agents are unsuitable. Occasionally used for hypertensive emergencies, IV form. 6. Indications, essential, primary hypertension. Secondary hypertension from renal or endocrine causes, pregnancy-induced hypertension, hypertensive crisis, rare, IV form. 7. Contraindications. Methyldopa should not be used in the following conditions: active hepatic disease, acute hepatitis, cirrhosis, liver injury, history of methyldopa-induced liver dysfunction, hemolytic anemia, positive Coombs test, concomitant use of monoamine oxidase inhibitors, MAOIs, hypersensitivity to methyldopa or formulation components, pheochromocytoma, can cause false positive catecholamine test. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Assess or inform your doctor if you have liver disease or previous hepatitis, anemia or hemolytic anemia, depression, mental health issues or suicidal thoughts, Parkinson's disease or movement disorders, heart disease, angina or prior heart failure, kidney impairment, dose adjustment may be needed. Special populations, pregnancy, safe, drug of choice for hypertension in pregnancy. Lactation, excreted in breast milk, monitor infants for drowsiness or lethargy. Elderly, more prone to sedation, dizziness, and orthostatic hypotension. How to use, administration. Take by mouth, oral route, with or without food. Take 2 to 3 times daily, preferably at the same times each day. Swallow tablets whole with a glass of water. Do not stop suddenly, as this can lead to rebound hypertension. If using IV form, administer slowly over 30 to 60 minutes under supervision. 10. Dosing information. Adults, initial dose, 250 milligrams 2 or 3 times daily for 2 days. Maintenance dose, 500 milligrams 2 grams per day in divided doses. Maximum dose, 3 grams per day oral. Children, 10 milligrams per kilogram day divided into 2 to 4 doses. Max 65 milligram kilogram day or 3 grade, whichever is lower. Intravenous IV, 250 to 500 milligram every 6 hours as needed for hypertensive crisis. 11. Missed dose, overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered unless it's close to the next dose. Do not double doses to catch up. Overdose. Symptoms: extreme drowsiness, severe hypotension, slow pulse, dizziness, weakness. Treatment: supportive care, IV fluids, vasopressors, e-dopamine, monitor vitals. Shack 12. When to stop or avoid taking. Stop methyldopa immediately and contact a doctor if you experience jaundice or yellowing of the skin, eyes, liver toxicity, dark urine, fatigue, or upper right abdominal pain, unexplained fever or malaise, signs of anemia, fatigue, pale skin, rapid heartbeat, severe depression or suicidal thoughts. Have 13 side effects. Common: mild, drowsiness, dizziness, weakness, especially at treatment start, dry mouth, nasal congestion, headache, edema, ankle swelling. Less common: moderate, constipation, impotence or decreased libido, depression or sleep disturbances, nausea, vomiting, serious, severe, hepatic injury, hepatitis, jaundice, hemolytic anemia, autoimmune, positive Coombs test, bradycardia, slow heart rate, fever, rash, arthralgia, autoimmune-like syndrome, myocarditis or pericarditis, rare. 14. Vital nursing clinical information. Monitor blood pressure regularly. Perform liver function tests, AST, ALT, bilirubin periodically. Perform direct Coombs test before and during long-term therapy. Advise patient to rise slowly to prevent orthostatic hypotension. Caution regarding drowsiness. Avoid driving or operating machinery. Avoid alcohol or sedative use concurrently. 15. Drug interactions. Drug class, interaction effect, MAO inhibitors, severe hypertension, contraindicated, other antihypertensives, additive hypotensive effects, iron supplements, decrease absorption of methyldopa, lithium, increases lithium toxicity, NSAIDs, e.g. ibuprofen, may reduce antihypertensive effect. Tricyclic antidepressants may reduce methyldopa's BP lowering effect. Levodopa competes for metabolism, reducing both drug effects. Alcohol sedatives enhance CNS depression and drowsiness. 16. Summary table, category, information, therapeutic class, antihypertensive, mechanism, central alpha-2 agonist, sympathetic tone, pregnancy safety, safe, major risk, hepatotoxicity, hemolytic anemia, major benefit, safe and effective control during pregnancy, key monitoring, BP, liver function, Coombs test. Thank you. Have a nice day.